Bye-bye, train.
Yeah, there he goes.
Disappear.
Where is he going? Which way?
Oh, I bet that other train comes in.
Here we
This
go.
one is like in Russia.
Yeah, he's got the engine on one end and a control car on the other.
But it's empty.
He does. I bet he's going to the yard. Wow. Okay. Got a new generation of.
I feel like I'm having my childhood.
We're not too.
So we have several new trainaholics joining me here. This is such a long video, I probably won't be able to upload it until I get back home.
I love this sound. I love this sound.
Yeah, me too. That is a good sound. And when you guys go on YouTube, you can say, "We were there."